You're never ready. But hey, what's up?
What's up?
Georgia 4 Low here, and I'm Arthur. This is Stacy, and we're just going to give a quick little walk around on the Jeep. We got the Fab Fab Works half doors.
Say that 3 times fast.
I can't. We're going to take a quick look at these. They're aluminum, American made. They give you the option to either have them, powder coated or painted to match your Jeep. We like the raw aluminum look, and I got a couple of tips for you on how to improve the doors. And let's dive in and take a look at them real quick.
I know I'm going to jump in real quick, and I'm just going to put a little plug in. Y'all, we have had so many compliments on these doors. At first, when Arthur told me that he was going to put these on the Jeep, I was like, why? And then I was like, oh my God, these are sexy as you know what. They're just pretty awesome.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
I was like, any day now.
So a couple of things on these doors. When I was asking around going to buy these doors, or before I purchased them, I was kind of asking around on some of the Jeep groups. And a lot of people told me that, they're great, they're nice, but they will rattle. And a lot of people said, just kind of stay away from them because they're going to rattle. What I did find out, though, they were correct on some of in a lot of that. But what I did is I found out why they were rattling. So if you are interested in a set of these, if you'll look, come a little closer. If you'll look, this bracing here, and there's a bracing down at the bottom. This bracing was held on with rivets, and actually the rivets were kind of loose. You could actually bang on the side of this door, and this bracing was actually rattling. So I drilled out all the rivets and just put a nice little stainless steel button head screw in there, and with nylon lock nuts on the back, which are under here. You can't see them, but nylon lock nuts on the back side, and that cured a lot of the rattling. Now this door latch here is pretty much, I don't think that's the American made part, obviously. This is a pretty common door latch that you see on a lot of tube doors, but the rest of it American made and craft here in the United States. But this latch, the only time that I really get this to rattle is like if we hit a big bump going over railroad tracks. But other than that, the doors are quiet.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't get any noise once we fix this. And then I'm not worried about the little bit of rattle that I may get from these going over railroad tracks. Right now I got to finish giving them a brushed look. I got to hit them with a steel wool, or not steel wool, Scotch-Brite pad and some WD-40 a couple more times to finish them. But you see they shut real nice. They look good. Now they come with, there's no instructions that come with these, but it's pretty simple to figure out, guys. You're going to have to attach the hinges to the doors, obviously. One other thing I'd like to see them improve on. First thing, I'd like to see them through bolt these and get rid of the rivets. Second thing I'd like to see them improve on is this design here. They do have a nice hinge that they manufacture here. Looks like it may be built in a press brake or something, but it's just a through bolt that drops through here. I think I probably damaged a couple of the little bushings in here for the OEM door hinge pin. So I'd like to see them improve this to where instead of having this through bolted, maybe there's a pin like the OEM doors and they just drop down in and then have a nut on the bottom. That way you just got a solid pin, or make a provision where this comes with OEM hinges or something and you can just drop the pin in there. But overall, we like them. They look great. I have no plans on getting them painted. We're just going to leave them raw looking and get them brushed up a little bit more. Let's do a walk around. I don't think the size of that damn rock in the lug. I got some water stains I got to work on, but So I think it'll come out as I brush them, but that's my fault. A little bit of water stains on it. There is no provision or anything that came with them for your door stop, but you could easily make something with a paracord and attach it here and just attach it to your OEM hook there. Just be careful when you open them. Just hold on to the doors so they don't swing out too far.
I never do that.
You never do that?
No. I just open the door. Really? I'm driving, people, not him. It's just a slow southern Sunday here in the South.
All right, so if you have any questions about the doors, drop them down below. I'll be glad to help you out with them. But we really do like the doors. I like the look, the style. There are just a few improvements I'd like to see made to the doors, but definitely worth the money. I think they were running a sale where they were taking $150 off. I think I got these for $8.95 shipped to the house. So I'll put some information in the description below. Make sure you share the video, like the video, subscribe, drop your comments below, and thanks for watching.
Peace out, y'all. Till next time.